Hey, it's OhioJimbo, and hey, I made a trip to Kentucky. It touches Ohio, so it's kind of cool. So I had some fun down there. Was inspired by quite a few different things, and a lot of the Bourbon Trail and a few other things kind of left me thinking about Kentucky. So I have to continue the song lessons with something with Kentucky. So we're going to do Blue Moon of Kentucky. Now, this is a Bill Monroe song done by Elvis Presley and a couple of other people, but I think we're going to try this, and I think you'll enjoy this one too. This is a fun one, really fun and simple. 3 chords again with a couple of variations. So let's get to it. Here we go. This is easy when we're going to have A, we're going to have D, and E. It's that simple. The rest of it's just having fun with the lyrics and do what you got to do, because this is a fun song to get through. And I think if you're around some campfire someplace and you start playing this, you're going to enjoy it, and I think people are going to smile. And I will say that there are a couple variations of the A and the D, and I'll show you. Chords will be on screen here. So, blue moon, blue moon, blue moon, keep on shining bright. Blue moon, keep on shining bright. Gonna bring me back my baby tonight. Blue moon, keep shining bright. I said, blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gonna be untrue. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that made me so blue. See, it's pretty simple, just keeping that E, A, and D going. And it's all staying in A, so then you break into this kind of a bridge thing. It was on a moonlit night when the stars shining bright. Whisper on high, my love said goodbye. Oh, the moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. So keep that strumming going, and you can kind of see how it ends on the E there. Now watch this. Do you notice the difference? That E and A at the end. I said, blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and been untrue. I said, blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. So keep remembering, you got A, D, A, E, A, minor, D, minor, A, E, A. Then you go back into the bridge. It was on a moonlit night with my stars shining bright. Whisper on high that my baby said goodbye. Oh, blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and been untrue. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. Bring it home with this. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. One more, watch this. Shine on the one that's gone and made me blue. That's That's Blue Moon of Kentucky, my version anyway. And again, I don't really worry so much about the lyrics or maybe even some of the chord progressions. Make it yours. Have fun with it. And you'll follow along in these chords and you'll see that A minor and that D and that D7th. Those are all pretty cool ones. And I'm sorry, that's an A7th that it goes to. And then a D and a D7th. And then that E back to A. It's really a simple song. You're gonna love it. You're gonna have a lot of fun playing it. And there's really not that many lyrics to it. It's about a guy in Kentucky that his lover tells him goodbye on a moonlit night, and he's just begging the blue moon to shine down so he can find this woman. It's a love story. Sing it that way because it's gonna leave you a little blue. Blue Moon of Kentucky. So, I know it's Kentucky, but this is OhioJimbo saying if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.